Kuthiwa ama-Buccaneers sekusele kancane-ke ukuthi ayitholele umgadli omusha ahead of the new season. According to many reports, Orlando Pirates are close to signing Norwegian striker Sebastian Pedersen ahead of the new season. Lo mdlali udlala khona-ke laphayana eNorway in the second division. Uskore wona-ke ama-goals awu-8 kuma-appearances awu-14 last season. So kuyakhombisa-ke ukuthi-ke inetho uyayazi and uzokwazi-ke ukuthi a-ede yona-ke laphayana i-value in the striking department sayo-ke i-Orlando Pirates. As we know ukuthi-ke they parted ways with uTshegofatso Mabasa, sekubuke ngathi-ke sebetholile-ke yona-ke i-replacement. Lo mdlali already-ke siyalandelwa yibo-ke abadlali bayo-ke i-Orlando Pirates laphayana-ke kuma-social media account, and kuyavela ukuthi no-Pirates naye-ke siyamlandela-ke lo mdlalo, okuveza khona ukuthi-ke ama-talks between i-Orlando Pirates nayo-ke i-Sogndal yakhona-ke lapha eNorway are in advanced stage, and it is expected ukuthi-ke the deal will be concluded in the upcoming days. So lo mdlali uzo-eda yona-ke i-value-ke laphayana-ke kuma-Buccaneers ngoba sazi-ke ukuthi sebenaye-ke laphana uRailo Pane Makgopa-ke naye-ke uMbuthuma, so they are looking to add more firepower-ke laphana up front, baskore wona-ke ama-goals in the upcoming season. So kulindeleke khona ukuthi Orlando Pirates will announce Sebastian Pedersen as their new striker in the upcoming days.